Welcome to the brand new section of this course, Ensemble Methods. In this section, we will start with implementing random forest regression, then bagging regression with nearest neighbours. After that, tuning gradient boosting trees, and add a boost regressor. And finally, defining a stacking aggregator with scikit-learn. Now let's move on to the video, implementing random forest regression. In this video, we will be expanding on decision tree regression, with several decision trees working together in a random forest. Random forests is an ensemble algorithm. Ensemble algorithms use several algorithms together to improve predictions. Scikit-learn has several ensemble algorithms, most of which use trees to predict. A random forest is a mixture of several decision trees, where each tree provides a single vote toward the final prediction. The final random forest calculates a final output by averaging the results of all the trees it is composed of. So let's start with importing libraries. Then load the diabetes regression dataset as we did with decision trees. After that, load the data and target as X and Y respectively. This will create the feature names array. Post that, we will use bin target variable for better sampling. Split all of the data into training and testing sets. Let's dive in and import and instantiate a random forest regressor. Then train the random forest. Run it. Now we will measure prediction error with this command. Try the random forest on the test set. Run it and you will get the output as highlighted here. Next we will check the output for the mean. And after running it, you will get this output. The errors have gone down slightly compared to a single decision tree. To access any of the trees that make up the random forest, use the estimator's attribute. So run it. And here is the highlighted output for the same. Next, to view the first tree on the list in GraphViz with this code. First import the required libraries. This will get the instance of string.io, and with the help of this command, we will export the graph into dot format. Here we will get the alignment of the graph. And this will create the image as PNG format. So it's time to run it. Cool, here's the output. An additional feature of the random forest is determining feature importance through the feature importance's attribute. Let's run it. And you will get the array output as highlighted here. You can visualize feature importance as well in the form of bar graph. And running this command will give you the bar graph as seen on the screen. The most influential features are body mass index, BMI, followed by BL4, the fourth of 6 blood serum measurements, and then average blood pressure. So, here we have come to the end of this video.